Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. With ChatGPT and OpenAI being so hot right now, I wanted to give you guys 3 new ways that you guys can invest in AI technology. So let's hop right into it. The first way is going to be by investing in AI-focused ETFs. This is going to give you diversified exposure to the industry, and you're not going to be taking excessive risk. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is the First Trust NASDAQ AI Intelligence and Robotics ETF. The ticker symbol is ROBT. They categorize stocks in 3 categories in AI. So they invest in enablers, engagers, and enhancers. And then the Robo Global Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker symbol ROBO, gives you diversified exposure to various sectors, companies that are leveraging and using AI. So this way you're not investing in any one individual stock, and you're getting exposure to the overall market. The next method that I'm going to be talking about is investing in individual stocks. This is going to be a lot higher risk, but if you do your research, obviously the upside is going to be a lot higher as well. The first company I'm going to be talking about is Snowflake. They're a cloud-based data warehouse, the ticker symbol SNOW. Then we have Splunk, which is a data platform, ticker symbol SPLK. And then we have NVIDIA, which is a chip maker, ticker symbol NVDA. So once again, these are not direct exposure to AI, but all these companies use AI technology or aid in the enhancement of AI technology. So these are going to be some great ways to get exposure. The final way that I'm going to be talking about is investing in household names. So large cap stocks that give investors some exposure to AI. This way you're going to be investing in a massive company that has their foot in the door in many businesses, but you're also going to be getting some exposure to AI. So 3 stocks would be Google, Amazon, and Tesla. Google uses AI to enhance their search engines. They're also releasing their own chatbot Bard to compete with ChatGPT, and the ticker symbol is going to be Google. Amazon is using AI to make personalized product recommendations, ticker symbol AMZN. And then Tesla is using AI for robots, vehicles, and more, ticker symbol TSLA. So you guys should definitely research any of these different companies or ETFs and see if these companies are a right fit for your portfolio. Definitely do your research and understand that the market has had a huge bounce in the past month. So if you guys want to hear more about the markets and personal finance, definitely like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.